Hi, my name is Sam. Today I wrote about my evening routine in my diary. Let me show you what I did after school. I came home at 5 p.m. I took off my shoes and put down my bag. Then, I went to the kitchen. I was a little thirsty, so I drank some water. I also washed my hands with soap. It was almost dinner time. I helped my family set the table. We put out the plates and spoons. Then, I ate my dinner. The food was so yummy. I talked with my parents about my day at school. After dinner, I cleared my plate and went to the living room. I watched TV for a few minutes. It was my favorite cartoon. Before bed, I had some things to do. I checked my homework and packed my school bag for tomorrow. I made sure I had all my books and pencils. Next, I went to the bathroom. I brushed my teeth up and down. I also washed my face. It felt so fresh. I went back to my room and changed into my pajamas. They are so soft and comfy. I relaxed on my bed for a moment. Then I wrote all of this in my diary. Finally, I turned off the lights and went to sleep. I had a very good night. Thank you for watching my evening diary. If you want to learn more easy English with me, like the video and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode.